What is up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to the Ramen House for a brand new video. Okay, this video is going to explain what is a sales funnel and how to use these top 3 elements to make money with one. Okay, so stick around for this entire video because I'm going to share those with you, and I'm also going to explain conceptually how this is going to bring in more profit for your business. Okay, so let's get started. Now, what is a sales funnel? Okay, so a sales funnel is basically a process that a business owner can use to not only simplify their shopping experience for their customers, but also maximize their profits at the same time. So I'm just going to explain this really quick using a couple models here. So if we got this one right in front of us, this is supposed to be what is known as a traditional website. Okay, so notice you can see that a traditional website usually has tabs at the top right that have these little buttons that you can click on. Generally, they say things such as home, FAQ, contact us, shop, and other stuff along with it. Okay, now this solely is already killing your conversions, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so if a customer goes into your website, they see all these different buttons that they can potentially click, right? Now, if you're an online business owner, you want this person to immediately go to the shop, right? You immediately want them to go to the shop. You do not want them to click home, FAQ, contact us. You want them to go to the shop so they can buy from you, right? Now, with the traditional website, your customer's experience may resemble this. Okay, so they might have to look past home, they might have to look past FAQ, they might have to look past contact us, and then eventually they will get to that shop. Okay, this is just assuming that they even get there, and don't click any of these options. Right now, I'm just going to show you a really quick example, and obviously let's just use Google as an example. Right now we have Gmail images and we can click this, right? So this is just an example of a traditional website. Obviously Google is not a funnel, okay, and it's not designed to sell you any products, but Google is also a website. I'm just using it as an example. Okay, so let's move on to what a sales funnel will look like. All right, so we all know what a funnel looks like, right? So here we've got our customer once again, and now they're going to this funnel, right? They're going to this funnel, and here they have a front end offer that they are hit with, okay? They're hit with the front end offer, and generally they can't really do much other than either continue on in this funnel or exit out, okay? So either it is a yes or it is a no. Okay, so if they do hit yes, they're going to continue to go down the flow of this funnel. Now they're going to be hit with other products down this funnel, right? And really, their choices become yes or no. Yes, I want this, or no, I do not want to buy this. Okay, but notice that through their entire funnel, it becomes all about the customer and what they want to get and what you can offer as a business owner versus this. Okay, so you're sending them down a path that you choose where they want to go. Okay, I'm just going to show you an example using one of my funnels. All right, so here is the One Funnel Away Challenge. Basically, it's a training by Russell Brunson, who's the owner of ClickFunnels, and others who teach you live on how to start, create, implement, and launch your first funnel online for your business. If you're interested in this, the link will be down below, but I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so notice, okay, we have one button, right? And obviously you'll get all these bonuses along with the One Funnel Away. We have one button again. People can book a free call with me as well. And then once again, there's another button. There's 3 buttons here, okay? If someone clicks this button, it's just going to open up this pop-up, okay, where it asks for their name and email. Similarly, what do you know? There's another button. Click this. Okay, once again, here we got name, email. It pops up the pop-up. Once again, there's only one button again up here. What does it do? Oh, it opens up the pop-up. Okay, notice that customers who come through this funnel really only have one choice. Either they click this button or they don't click the button and they exit out. Okay, and if they do click this button, they're going to go down the funnel. Obviously, you're going to get all this stuff for $100, so you have to make an offer that is super irresistible, such as this one. Okay, now what are the top 3 elements that you would want to use to make money with your funnel. So it is very simple here. So stick with me, okay, guys? So first, you want to have an offer, all right? You want to have an offer, all right? This offer is going to be on your optimized funnel. Now, you can use any funnel building software that you want, but I personally use ClickFunnels. All that stuff is going to be in the description down below, okay, guys? So you're going to want to send them to an optimized funnel. Use whatever you feel comfortable with or wherever you would like to get your landing page software or funnel builder software from. Okay, so you're going to have an offer going to an optimized funnel. Okay, but right here, I'm going to put before this, okay, traffic. Okay, traffic to an offer to an optimized funnel. Okay, so if you can get these three right, your funnel can become profitable. All right. Now, if you don't know how to do any of these three, or if you know how to do one or the and you don't know how to do the other, or if you're stuck on either one of these, you can go ahead and check out my How to Start Affiliate Marketing with ClickFunnels playlist. I'll leave a link up here for you guys. It's going to explain how exactly to come up with all of these things, okay? So I just wanted to explain what a funnel is and why it is better than a traditional website, okay? Go out there and get some money with your brand new funnel. Go join the One Funnel Away Challenge if you haven't. You can grab all my bonuses here if you would like to, but obviously you can use whatever landing page or funnel building software that you are most comfortable with. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like content like this. Thank you guys so much. This is Rajiv Raman signing out.